What's going on, guys? I'm just heading out to the beach to do a little bit of a camp, and I thought I would show you guys around my setup that I have with my rooftop tent and my awning and all that kind of stuff. So I picked it up recently. That is a bright Hilux. So I picked it up recently from Bushwakka, New Zealand, and I'm just so happy with it. I've been camping with it a few times now, and I've gone down to Ruapehu off Desert Road and camped out there. And it was just great. I'm just going to show you guys my walk around of it, give you guys my honest opinion on it so far. And you know, it's not perfect, but it's the best solution I've come up with so far from all the different options and brands that I've seen available here in New Zealand at least. So yeah, let's head down there and just get straight to the video. So firstly, I want to show you guys how quick it is just to set this thing up. So I'm going to set the tent up first, just at a normal pace, and then I will set the awning up as well. So let's do the tent first, and I'll show you guys just how easy it is. So first off, there's just 4 clips. You can put these clips on the front as well. If it doesn't work for your setup, they can go on the front and the back or the sides. So you just undo those, and then jump up and put it up like that, and the gas struts just hold it up, you know, easy as. And then you grab the poles. I usually have these, I usually leave these in the tent, but I got a new mattress for it today, which I'll talk about in a second, because I'm a side sleeper and I'm fairly large and yeah, I just wanted something a little bit more comfortable. I think if you were a back sleeper, the mattress that comes with it would probably be fine, but you know, I found a pretty good alternative, so I'll show you guys that. And that's it. That's how you set the tent up. It's so easy, and the good thing is you can put your blankets and stuff in there. This one you won't be able to put the like if you have a big pillow, it won't close with it in there, but the mattress that comes with it is like a 30mm, quite a thin, good quality but really thin mattress. I have a 75mm one in there now, and it closes fine. I'll set the awning up now so you guys can see kind of how easy that goes as well. It comes with this rope to latch it on. I'll set it up and then show you guys how it goes. So just unzip it, and then it has these 3 Velcro tabs, and then I usually just put the little clip on, and then pull it all the way around. And I'm just latching it around the roof rack. I'll show you guys in a second. And then this is like a ratchet, and that's it. It handles the wind quite well. I haven't had any issues with it. It does have one leg here that kind of folds down, and you can pin it down. It comes with all the fixings and all that kind of stuff that you need, but it's so easy to have camp set up and have all this crazy kind of shelter. I'll get you guys off the tripod and show you around some of the small details so you can see what it looks like. So I am on a little bit of a downhill slope here, but I'm 6'1". If I stand right next to the truck, it's not even close to my head. Obviously that's going to really depend on the truck that you have or the 4 drive you have, but the brackets, you can adjust them. And this model has 2 LED lights. They're great. It has 2 plugs, which I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like it could have been just one, but I don't know. The wire it comes with is like a 2-into-1 anyway. So yeah, and they put out a whole bunch of light, and they have like an orange to keep the bugs away, and then a bright white one as well. And same with the tent. So here's the setup with the ratchet that I was talking about. So it has this kind of ratchety looking thing that you just pull tight. That's the whole setup. It's quite comfortable. You can sleep 2 people in there really easily, and you know, it's definitely not as roomy as the fold-out tents, but I much prefer this. And yeah, I'll put the exact model on the screen so you can see, because Bushwakka have a few different tents. This is like the middle one, I believe. So it has this front portion that pops up as well, rather than the small one they have. The cheaper one is like hinged on there, so there's no window there. It's just, yeah, I'll get the ladder out and show you guys what that's like. Here's the ladder. So let me get the tripod out. Another quick thing I'll note before I set the ladder up is this channel is great. It holds like 8 M8 bolts, so you can attach like a light bar or some spotlights or whatever straight into that channel. Same with the top one. So the ladder just has this little clip. Put it up there. Easy as. Let's get up there and have a look what it's like inside. So just so much room. It's quite hard to kind of lay down in there and show you what it looks like size wise, but I'll get in there. I'll just plug the light in so you can see what that looks like as well. I haven't got a dual battery set up for this truck yet. I am planning on doing that, but I actually have a Ecoflow Delta, I think it's called, all-in-one thing. I'll do a separate video on that as well, but let's get it out. So all I've been doing is just having the battery bank here and passing it through the switch. The plug for the tent is on the outside. I'm going to hardwire this in as well, so you don't actually have to do this. You can hardwire it. Go. So my truck has the weather shields, so usually I just pass it through and like have it hanging out there, but we'll just leave it in there for now. Get up in the tent. It's just in here. There we go. And there's all the lights. So like I said, the plug for it is just on the outside of the fly screen. That's where it plugs in, just there. And these put off heaps of light, which is just amazing. And there's a switch here for it if you want to change the color, or that's so off or bright white, and then the orange to kind of keep the bugs out. It's just, I love this thing. Honestly, I'm so stoked with this setup. The tent also comes with this like vapor barrier thing, because obviously being a metal, it's going to get some condensation in it, so it has that vapor barrier so your mattress isn't getting all wet when it's cold in the mornings and stuff. I'm 100 kilos as well, and that ladder seems to hold me pretty sweet. One of the other things I was really impressed with was the service. Like, the guy that runs the New Zealand branch here is called Trevor, and he's just been great. Like, the tent I got was an ex-demo one, and the ladder had kind of been damaged by the people that were using it. It was not faulty or anything like that. And I just went in and he just told him, he didn't even look at it, he just gave me a new ladder. He's just based out in Westgate as well. So yeah, if you have any problems, like, really easy to deal with, real nice guy, and you know, it's a family business. His brother started the one in Australia. And full disclosure, guys, I did get a discount on this tent, this whole setup. All my reviews are like honest. I'm never gonna just say shit for a discount. It's just not how I work. If you guys follow my other channel, you'll know that pretty well. Even when I was sponsored by Sony at the time, I just gave honest reviews on all the cameras and called out the problems and everything, which they didn't really like, but that's just how it is. And when I went in to see Trevor, I told him straight off the bat, I was like, I'm going to buy one of these anyway, so don't feel like you have to work with me or whatever, but if you want some content, I'll get you like really cool photos and videos of it that you can use in like as a commercial basis, and you can use them on your website and do whatever you want to do. And yeah, I didn't get this stuff for free. I still paid pretty good money for it. I just got a little bit of a discount. It's so sturdy as well, this awning. Like, it really kind of holds the wind. Like, he told me if it is quite windy, you want to pin it down, like put that leg down and then pin down the corners. Yeah, I think I'm gonna weather seal the fabric a little bit more, like with some of that spray. I had it in a little bit of rain and it didn't leak at all. It's a new drawer setup, if you guys are interested in that. I made a little video of that the other day. So anyway, I'll get back up in there and lay down and show you kind of how much room you have for someone that is reasonably wide dude. So let's have a look. Get all the sand off my... When I went camping last time, I slept this way. You can see there, certainly, like I said, not as roomy as like one of the fold out ones, but plenty fine for 2 people. I'm so awkward when people are walking around. I hate recording myself. So there you have it, guys. First impressions. I love this thing. I'm so stoked with it. I'm really stoked to get out and do some more overlanding around our beautiful country here in New Zealand. Thanks Bushwakka for hooking me up with a little bit of a discount, and I highly recommend. When I went to see him, I was kind of just hoping that we'd be able to, you know, do a bit of a contract. I could use some of my skills to get them what they need and get me a little bit of a discount at the same time, and I'm stoked they went for it. So let me pack it up now anyway so you can see. I don't think I've missed anything. Let's have a quick look around again. Just so well made, honestly. And it's really sleek as well when it's folded down. You know, it's not a really thick tent like you see on the road heaps. All right, I will put the awning away first. I had one of the Rhino Rack 270-degree awnings, which are, to be fair, quite a bit cheaper, but so much, like, the extra money you pay for this one is definitely worth it. Like, you're getting a lot more. Just kind of roll it like that. It picks up really nicely. It doesn't even have to be like super tight or anything. Everything has YKK zippers, which if you're a photographer, you know that's really good. And they're all nicely seam sealed and everything. I've been through some pretty poor weather and haven't had anything in the, you know, the awning packet or anything yet. Yeah, that's how long it takes to pack the awning away. No rushing or anything. Pull that light socket out there. You should probably get up there and do it, but you know, whatever. These will go lay in there like so, and then just pull down. And I've just been kind of hugging it like that and then pulling it down from the inside, and that just keeps all the material in easy as. And it's with the big extra thick mattress I have in there, way thicker than the standard one. The ladder has these little clips that you can, like so. I'll show you guys the factory mattress that it comes with because I've got it in the back there. So that's it there. It's a really nice kind of lined memory foam mattress, but you know, for me, like being a side sleeper and how big I am, it's just not quite comfortable enough. If you guys are in New Zealand, I got that mattress cut exactly to the size, and it's like a really high density comfortable foam, like a high quality foam, and that was about 300 bucks from Power Rubber, 300 New Zealand dollars, so I don't know what that is, 150 bucks US or something. He just cut it to the size and it fit perfectly. You guys see heavy duty brackets that look actually quite nice to hold the awning on, and you can see the latches here again. Just that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go and do some camping and a couple of road trips coming up, driving down to Wellington like 2 weeks time, so I'll take the truck down there and camp out in there. Got a wedding down there, so that'll be fun. Thanks Trev, thanks Bushwakka, and see you guys in the next video.